sombrero guys. Blue. Purple naman to. Saturday dito sa amin guys. Tayo ay mamamasyal lang saglit dito sa Garden City. Saturday, makulimlim, gloomy. Ayan, kasama ko ang tatlo. Naiwan yung tatlo. Lakad lang. Ewan ko may anong gagawin ni Mr. dito. Anong gagawin mo rito pa? Ha? Lakad lang. Lakad lang daw kami. Ayan, si Bunso nakakarga kay Papa.
Hold mo kasi.
Hold my hands daw. May ATM si Papa.
Let's go inside.
Okay, go inside. Antayin natin sa labas na si Papa. Pa, mauna na kami pa. Okay. Nandito kami sa Garden City. Thank you, Kuya. Ayan. Iniwan na ang Papa. Nasa sila candy machine. Wala kang coins, Kuya?
No.
Ayan guys.
It only went to 25 cents.
$2.
That's so cheap.
$1. Wala akong anak eh. 25 cents. Wala akong coins na. Wait for Papa.
No.
Antay namin ang aming Papa. Iniwan namin sa labas. Meron naman ditong sa loob.
We should do that. We should do that.
Saan? Mag-ride. Gusto mo mag-ride kasi? There. See? Baka naman sira na yung machine.
Yata to.
Ayan daw.
Oh, let me see that. Let me see that.
Ayan.
It's not sad.
Pink. Let's see that.
Oh, that.
Let's see. Oh, the squeezy.
Squish it.
Let's see. Can you? Ulit. Yee.
We should really do that, Mom.
Ano pala yun?
The riding.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should do it. But actually, no, it's right.
Let's see kasi what you got. Oh, sa house na lang kasi ano pala ito. Yung anong tawag, sand. Yeah.
It looks like grapes, bro.
Yummy.
Try it, Beth. Try it.
Don't squish that hard.
Not high.
Oh.
I always squish it hard.
Huh?
Yummy.
Dito kami sa Dalaramas Mall, guys. Sir, tumitingin ng cup. Tumitingin ng sombrero, guys. Blue. purple naman to.
Mama, are you ready?
Alright, si Bunso. Alright, si Bunso.
That's how you do it, isn't it?
Sino maglagay dyan?
Yes, you can do it. I'll just turn it around.
Okay.
Lakasan mo hawak din, para ka magbabay. Patayin mo kayo ha.
Okay, go, go. Go, go over there. Okay, there. Oh, done. Thank you. Fun ride. Yan. Uwi na, guys. Uwi na. Ayan. Saglit na pamamasyal. Uuwi na. Uwi na, guys. Saglit na pa lakad lang kasi mamaya may pupuntahan kayo, magpe-perform yung ating isang anak na sa dance. May sila contest. Ayan. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Hangin.